Good afternoon or good morning. Today we're going to be changing an air conditioning filter on a central air conditioning system. I'm going to show you the importance of the different type of filters, the quality, and the location. This application is in the ceiling. There are others that are located underneath the air conditioning system itself or in other spots. If you come up to your filter grill and you remove the two clips and fold it down, some people will look at this filter and say it's not that bad. I can get a little bit more time out of it. However, this is a clean filter. And so you can see the difference is actually, with this dirty filter being taken out and this clean filter being put in, sometimes you have to do a little constructive altercations to make it go in and still make it airtight. The importance of a filter is to try to get all the dirt, microbles, anything going through your air through the filter system, not around it. That's what clogs drain lines. So you'd start off by pushing it towards the back of this thing where the clips are not, and you follow the track, slide it down. It's touching on both sides. Now you can see it's not going to go directly in, even with this clip out of the way. Doesn't go all the way in nice and perfect. So you try to get it around this clip on both edges. 1, 2, and tuck that corner back up so it is perfectly sealed and making sure it's filtered properly. Here is a better type of filter. This is a charcoal infused filter. It almost looks dirty. But this is the difference between a good filter and an average Joe. This is the very bare minimum filter you should be using. Anything less than this, you shouldn't even consider it. This filter is charcoal infused. It tries to remove odors. It has a MERV rating of 8. It's custom fit. As you can see, it's a nice tight fit. You see how there's no bend to it? It just went right in. Let's see. It still has that same lip that we were just talking about. But now when you put it in properly, you go around these clips on the sides. A lot less bend, a lot less stress. You still got to get around these clips. These clips are important to catch the door and have it stop there. Without these, it'll just fold all the way up. But there is a good filter installed correctly. If you're removing this filter, you will see I put a spare in here as a backup, which we'll remove because the MERV rating on those weren't that good. You'll see I have an air purifier, which we will get to in a different video. You see the blue light? It's not ultraviolet. In conclusion, you can see how easy it can be to change your air conditioning filter. The importance of it is severe. The best way for you to remember is every month when you get your electric bill, change your air conditioning filter. It's 65% of your bill. The quality of an air conditioning filter is very important. The way it's installed is very important. And it will reduce service calls if you have a good filtration. It is important to get a maintenance on your system. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Please like, share, subscribe. Please follow us. If you have any questions, feel free to call us or contact us. We'd be happy to help.